How are you guys doing? This is Martin. You know me from my series on when I 5,970. You guys been looking at that one. You know me from my series 36 month how to pay off your car loans without giving up. Finally made it to Starbucks. There was no line today. Stay home, sick people. Stay home so I can get shit done and not get stuck in traffic. I got 2 interviews set up, man. C-virus won't stop me. You stop me from a BMPC virus. You will not stop me. Then they'll end up closing the mall and stuff. I'm talking all this shit, but life goes on, man. This ain't the first time there was a pandemic. Just think back to you guys remember the Rodney King thing? Way back. I'll get political on you. Remember when like those cops got off? Not to say that OJ didn't deserve what he got. It all got caught on film, and then that's when all hell broke loose. Unfortunately, my people, instead of going to their neighborhood and raising hell, they burned down our own neighborhood. Way to go, guys. Way to go. But it reminds me of that time where nobody wanted to go out. White people were scared of black people. Black people hated cops. I mean, it was an insane time. And then you progress where I went through 9/11. I remember I was just finishing up my MBA. And I was like, man, I'm going to be a black tech. I'll be a black tech unicorn. I didn't know what a unicorn was. But hey, I knew I had a horn and I liked to go out at night and have fun. So I was going to be the greatest black multimillionaire unicorn of all time. And then what happened? I was looking on my television. 9/11, everything was shut down. This is when I lived in San Francisco. Couldn't get around. I think even BART, the train, was shut down for a while. So I had to drive to get across the Golden Gate Bridge or to drive to get around the, Bay Bridge. So yeah, I remember that time that happened. So, and then I remember 2008, things slowed down. All the stock market dropped. That's when all the stores started laying people off. That's when the stock market said, circuit break. Say it's a circuit break. Stocks keep dropping. Circuit break. Circuit break. I remember if you're still in San Bernardino, drive down E Street. Still today, whole car lots just went out of business. That's a place before. That's where a place you walk around. You go buy a car. And some of you guys right now, you got more car than money. But I'm not going to talk about that today. But look at my series, how to pay off your car loan in 36 months. Watch the one, 5,970. Watch the ones from 2014, 2015, because I want you to see what the economy was like now as opposed to how it is today. You can go out and get a job basically anywhere, man. Now it's like, I don't do logistics. I can tell you, I worked in a fulfillment / warehouse when I was in high school. So I don't think I'm going to be doing it at 51. And I do more in those. I did more with my friend Calvin and I. Package. We made circuit boards. We ran injection molding machines. He ran a CNC machine. I called people on the phone. I went out door to door. Picking was like the last thing we do. What we did before was plant seeds. Martin, we need you to fulfill this order. We can plant the seed, put this package into the distributor's yard so they give us money. Martin, run that injection molding machine. We make parts, we get orders, we get money. Martin, get on the phone, call so-and-so, tell them their check bounced. We need their check for what we gave them, bring in money. So the last thing I did was pick. Picking was like so low on the order. It's like, produce. So when I go all that's why I'm hard on these warehouses. Like, I did that 18, 20, 50 years ago. I look at all these cars. I like some of these Mercedes, BMW, something. You work in a warehouse and you're picking, man. You ain't going to be picking for long because I know about the technology. I know about the work scheduling because I've worked in one. We ran one. I had an owner. They showed me the numbers. They showed me what the labor and stuff costs. I'm like, I know all of them are overstaffed. That's why I just talk about them because sooner or later someone's going to say, we don't need all these people. Cut their asses. It will happen. Trust me. That's why I say watch the one on fulfillment centers. Watch the one where I told you about the 125 Macy's stores. I worked at Macy's. People were doing other stuff instead of going to the customer. Had a guy working on the shirt. I was going to buy about $120 worth of stuff. He's fucking folding shirts instead of coming to me. What happens? I try to get a job at Macy's this year. Martin, we just want you to pick. What happens? Picking does not sell the product. I sell the product. Now you got 125 Macy's stores closing. 452 Pier 1 imports closing. Toys R Us closing. People don't have any people skills. And now what rolls around? Oh, God, the C virus. Better, what is it? No contact and all kind of stuff. Yes, I know you don't want the elderly to die. I don't want my grandmother to die. Trust me, when she died, I got a $19,412 bill from the state talking about Medicare and other expenses she had that I had to pay. I'd rather she had lived, and if she had lived, I wouldn't have to pay that and the funeral expense and all that stuff. So, no one wants the older people to die. But I do think this is a little bit hyped up. All you basically have right now is people protecting themselves. And as for all these stupid sports commentators, you could care less about me. I could go jump off the bridge. Look, there's like a canal. I could jump off that corral and some shark could eat me and you guys could care less. So I'm just like laughing at all this empathy going around. It's happened in 9/11, happened at Rodney King, happened in 2008. Empathy only happens when you got money. That's why I say you need money. Because when you have money, you can say, hey, I can help that person who doesn't have anything. I can help that person who's having a problem. Now turn around now, flip it now. What about if you worked at the airline that they canceled the flight and you don't have any extra money in the bank? Oh, your empathy would be down to zero. Or what about if you worked as a concession worker? Because I've done that before. I used to work for all these convention centers. Y'all know how it is to sell the food, make the food. BNP tournament, for example, a great one. I made $24 last week for training. I thought I was going to make $300 to $500 this weekend, but it was canceled. Luckily, I actually got a check from Allstate for an accident I had back in 2018 for $1,000. So it's like kind of like made me feel like a little mellow. It's like, okay, that sucks. But if I didn't get that check, trust me, the brother would be like pissed off. I would not be as nice as I am. But I got one interview scheduled for Saturday. I'm going to work that kiosk. Come to the mall if you got money. If you don't have no money, don't come to the mall. I need leads. Give me leads. Then I got another phone interview on Tuesday. I want to be on the phone. Hey, this is Mark. Well, I know you need to sell your house now. You got those 5 kids with no money. I know you want to get rid of them. Yeah, you had empathy when you thought you had a little bit of money. Oh, I let my baby stay with me. They can stay with me and I love them. Now that they ain't got no money because of the C virus, I bet you kick their asses out. Kick your husband's ass out who's having an affair. Kick your ass out. You having an affair. Just get that money. Let's just split it. Fuck the kids, honey. We need some money. I'm telling you, it's going to get crazy. That's why I'm used to that. But got an extra money like I can. Got $100 in cash at the house. I got $40 in the drawer. Okay, two $50 bills in the house. $40 in the drawer. Got $10. Okay, I got $6 on me. I lied because I went to Starbucks for the $2.95 hot tea, and a little money in the bank. So I'm like, okay, I can make it, man. I can make it. And then I'm interviewing for jobs. Like, I don't care. Something's got to be gone. I'll pick up shit, man. You know, I'll clean up after that dog that my other one I talked about how I hate dogs in apartments. Hey, let me come in and clean up behind that stupid dog you have. He's all scared to go piss in the damn corner. Pop! Pop that fucking dog upside the head, man. Pissing on my floor. And then I can't wait till I start calling all these people. Oh, believe my house for my baby. You can't have it. You sewer investors. Like, lady, you better take it now, because if not, you're going to go into foreclosure. I'm going to take it later. So, I'm just saying, man, make sure you get a little extra money, because it's going to get crazy soon. Everyone, this is going to happen. This is going to happen. This is going to... You know, the only people who are saying that are the people with money. People with money don't give a damn about it. If you don't have any money, you say, fuck, I don't give a shit. Put a bullet. Let's have some murder-suicides in the house, man. As long as I got money, it's okay. But when you don't have money, you don't give a shit. All this empty bullshit, man. It just makes me laugh. I just laugh. I'm 51. I've seen it all. Now, okay, I haven't seen it all. But I've seen recessions. I've seen terrorists. I've seen slowdowns, like from civil unrest stuff, and I just laugh. I just laugh. Everyone who has money is like, it's such a giving mood. I want to watch. You know what? Email me, subscribe, comment, share, like. Subscribe, comment, share, like. Let me know. Are you one of these people like me who lost your job at the BNP, who can't go out and work at a basketball event, an LAFC soccer event? You plan to work at the Golden Boy concert. Hey, let me know. Are you feeling, it's okay, man. I don't mind if everyone stays home. It's all good. I don't mind if you want to get a little sniffle. I can go without that money. Email me. Let me know. Are you like all these other people on the media? And everyone's so happy. You just stay home. I got money. So you stay home, broke person, and let me think for you. That's why I say you got to go out and make the money. Even if you're not making the money, get the skills where you become valuable and you can help people make money. That's what I'm saying. Trust me. You believe me? Subscribe, comment, share, like. Are you feeling like, are these people on the media making you feel good, or do they make you like me? Make you want to go out and just go psycho, man. Go riot. Just riot just to riot because there's such bullshit coming out their mouths. So, but the only thing I say, so at least that's all I can say right now. I was about to talk about my crazy times. But let me know what you think. Are you empathetic? You said it's okay for you not to have money? Are you okay with that? Long as no one gets sick. Are you willing to be poor, not have any money, have your lights cut out? Let me know. Because I think there's more than some flu going around. There's a lot of BS going around with it. Later.